Morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I got my Medieval Mirage journals over the line. So let's go through the big one first and let's see what it measures. It measures 9 by 6 and the spine is about 2 inches, I think we did. Yes. Okay, so I will tie some sari silk around it, but let's have a look through. It's quite a chunky monkey. So got a tag in there. Let me just see if I'm centered. Might zoom you in just a tiny little bit. There we go, so you can see better. And this was an original page from the book, 1839. I popped one of those lovely envelopes. It's just vintage, but look inside. Very Sharon Hearth. Hey Sharon. I never have those envelopes with those nice, and Sharon reverses them, but I like all the things on this one, so I'll leave that there. There's a tag that we made together. Most of this we did together except for the final embellishing bits. I added that document in there. I think I skipped a page. That just pulls out for extra writing space. You could attach something there if you wanted to. I added this not as a big tab. Added that tab up there and decorated on that side as well. Put a little label here. So I'm just pointing out this what we did all together. I'm pointing out any new additions that pulls out that I did off camera. That one flips around and it also, yeah, that flips around like that. Just love these. And this one, and I did use my Italian papers as well. I added this tag in. I made this. So that tag there, and it's all collaged. You probably can't tell because it all blends in, but it is collaged. I'm looking at that wondering if I put it upside down, but it didn't feel like it had a direction. Added this tab here that we did together. Added that tab, that label there. Just slid that in there and added that. Added that tab there. Because that's the center, but I didn't want to cover any of that, so I just added a tab to help assist opening it. And then what else did I do off camera? No, that's all. We did all of that together. Oh, I added this tab here, which goes onto then. I love that look. Added this one up here. The tabs just help turn the pages sometimes. That was, oh, I added that in there. I had missed that pocket when we were doing the video, when I was looking on doing it through the video. That one, I added this pocket, and I made that journal card. It's just got vintage paper on the back, and then I slid in that little sort of receipt. It's a bit flimsy, so I put it behind. Added that little bit there. That I love that. It's just so beautiful to me. And that is it in that one. So that's the big journal. And then the little journal, let me just check. I am on screen. Yeah, yes. And we'll measure that one. About 5 inches by 7, and again about a 2-inch sort of spine. And I didn't put anything on that because that's just a beautiful page. We did these things together. I think most of this. I don't think I've added any more to this one. Maybe I needed to. I can't remember. Anyway, we'll flip through. If I need to add more, I will do that afterwards. There. I didn't add stuff on every page, just some. Put that there. Did that all on camera. Love that. I think I did that all with you guys. The butterfly there, put that there. Oh, I did a little bit off camera yesterday after the video. Added that. Didn't feel like adding anything there. Put that there. I made a tag to go in there. I don't know if I did that with you guys. I think I did. Added that. That one's already like that. That one there. I just added that strip there. Put that one there. Added that, and that is the end. Okay. Oh, sorry, skipped a page, a couple of pages. That's the end, and I added that there. So they are the 2 journals. I have a few ladies on my list that I'm offering them to, and then in order of where they are on the list. And if nobody wants them, then you will see them in my shop. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.